Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. My name is Dom and we are here at Strada 2018. We got a great lineup today. As you can see, the sun's out, weather is great. We got some amazing cars and an insane amount of horsepower. So we're gonna take you along on today's trip. And I've got my mate Stefan with me from FlareRide. He's gonna make the video today and I'm so excited to start. So let's have a look around and I'll take you guys on a trip. Let's go. So we have arrived at the lunch location, is about to get some food and some drinks. Have a look at the beautiful cars behind us. We got a notification by police that we got clocked with 200 where we were allowed to do 60, so we have to do a little bit slower in the second part of the run, but doesn't matter. Let's go inside, get some food and go for part 2 of this trip. We have finished. Right now we're in Baarn. It's a region of Utrecht. As you can see, it's a little bit rainy now, but so everybody drove a little bit slower, which wasn't completely a bad thing because there was undercover police everywhere. We got chased by them for like 20-25 minutes. But yeah, my car isn't that fast compared to the rest, so everything all together, great fun, beautiful locations, good food, good drinks. Yeah, just a great drive like Strada always is. So thank you guys for watching, and if you ever want to join us to a rally like this, just let me know and I might just take you along with us in the car and have some fun. So guys and girls, thank you for watching. See you next time.